welcome back. It's me again, Matthew. Nice to see you. So this is our final, the last one, the final web class activity here at eCube for 2010. Today's activity is going to be done by me, and it is about the animals and the continents. Do you know what the continents are? Perhaps you do. If not, I will teach you very soon. Okay, before we begin, I'll just do a quick review of what we have done for the last 3 weeks. So remember, our theme was biodiversity. In week 1 we had Dorian, and Dorian taught you all about fair trade. And there are many benefits of fair trade, both for the environment and for many poor communities in, for example, Africa or Asia, in developing countries. And did you enjoy the fair trade chocolate? It's very delicious. In week 2 was Julia, and she did a funny activity, dropping tomatoes, but it was about organic food. So I hope that you learned the benefits for your health and for the environment of eating organic food. Last week was Andrew's activity, a very serious topic about global climate change. It's a very, very important issue, so I hope you learned something, and of course I hope you enjoyed it. And then today will be my activity. Please enjoy. So, from Andrew's lesson last week, from Andrew's activity about global climate change, can you remember what you learned about the things that you can do that can make a difference? What are some of the things that you can do to help stop global warming? Let's see, how good is your memory? Okay, there's lots of small things that we can do every day, but mainly it's about us using less energy. For example, less electricity or less gasoline. For example, look, you can walk or ride your bike to school, so you don't need to drive a car. At home, you should always turn off your lights when you leave a room. Don't waste electricity. Also, with modern technology, we have very, very efficient light bulbs or light globes. So please, in your house, you should use the modern fluorescent style light bulbs, and they use less electricity. Also, when you are not using your cell phone charger, you should take it out. You should unplug it. So sometimes chargers continue to use energy when they are plugged in, even if your phone is not connected. So if you are not using or not charging your things at home, you should disconnect them. Other things we can do. Wow. For example, in the bathroom, when you are drying your hair, you can use a towel. It's much easier, and it's not using electricity. If you use a hairdryer, you are wasting electricity. With your washing, do you do the washing at home? Maybe not. But if you do, you should do a full load of washing. Don't only wash one t-shirt and one pair of jeans. Wait until you have a full washing machine. You will save electricity and you will save water. In the summertime, it's very hot here in Osaka, so we love to use the air conditioner. But if you close the window shades or if you close the curtains, you can keep the sun out, so it will keep your house cooler, and you need to use your air conditioner less. And the same in winter. It gets very cold. In winter, things like wearing more clothes. For example, if you put on a sweater, then you don't need to turn on the heater, and you can save electricity that way. So some of these things are ideas, but there are many, many more things that you can do every day. Little things that can help us save electricity, can save energy, and they are good for the environment. Okay. Now finally, before I begin my activity, I want you to think about what you can do for the Earth and what you can do to protect biodiversity. So I'm going to give you some homework. So at 5:20, when my activity will finish, we have 10 minutes together. We will discuss some of the things that you can do as an individual, or some of the things that your class can do to help protect biodiversity. The PowerPoint that we just saw gave you some ideas of things you can do to help stop climate change. So remember those things, but also remember some of the things we learned in week 1 and week 2, and we will have a discussion, and I want you to tell me what you will do, some of the things you will do every day, you in your class and you as an individual, to help protect biodiversity. But that will be coming soon. But now let's enjoy my activity today, the animals and the continents. Thank you.